On today's episode of Lydia's Corner, we have the wind-up dinosaur. The late Jurassic Stegosaurus. Come on, Lydia. Let's play with it. Say, welcome to my corner.
Look into my corner.
Alright, go ahead and open the box.
Here.
Ooh, look at that.
Where's the key?
Oh, you know about the key. Good. Alright, you got the key.
Mommy,
How old are you? How old are you?
3, 4, good show.
Good.
I'm winding it up.
Okay, go ahead and wind it up, Lydia. Go ahead and wind it up. Ooh, it's moving. Wind it up. Alright, set it down. There you go. Yay! Keep winding it up, Lydia. Keep winding it up. Can you wind it up some more?
Yeah.
Alright, give it to me. That's what we got here. This is a nice design. Whoa!
What?
This is a nice design. Let's see if this works here.
Eat it. Eat it. How to eat it? That's a dinosaur. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Those are not eating it. Eat it.
It's a nice piece from China.
China?
Yep. Say, thanks everybody. Thanks for watching.